Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel How to Technical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you how to stop automatic Windows update in Windows 10. So let's start it. There are two steps to stop automatic updates. For the first step, click on Windows button and then search for services. Click enter. In the services, search for Windows update option. Here it is, this one. Double click on this and in the startup type, it is showing automatic delayed start. Now click on this and set it as disabled and click apply. And here if your stop button is also enabled, click on this and click OK. Now second step is to set your connection as metered connection. For this, click on the Wi-Fi icon. Here you need to click on network settings. Here you will see an option manage non-networks. Click on this. Here you will see a list of Wi-Fi connections to which you are connected in the past. Now click on the network to which you set as metered connection. I set this connection as a metered connection. If you have not done this yet, click on this and set it as metered connection because this will stop automatic delivery of Windows updates. So thank you guys. If this helped you, please don't forget to subscribe us.